All right, today we're gonna bring an oval dining table. Now it comes in two pieces, all right? This is one box with the legs. You have to build this first prior to setting it up because if you guys can see, it's ready to mount too. So we're gonna go ahead and set it up. This is the main expanding, it expands and it folds out. We're gonna show you how it works, but first we're gonna put it together. All right, we're done with the first part right here. We screwed in the legs, and if you guys can see, the legs are fit. So they give you a little tool, and it's gonna be hard to use this tool, so you have to maybe get your own. All right, this is 7 by 32 millimeters. All right, so it's able to help me out and tighten it up. You're gonna need to remove the plastics that are included in here, and you also need to have some tool to remove that because they're a little tight. So you're gonna need a wrench for that one. But if you guys can see, I actually use this tool instead of the tool that they gave me. But overall, it's hollow in here. The legs are fit already. So we're going to go ahead and the next step would be to put a plate on it. And then you actually flip that over and do it upside down. So we're going to show you in a bit. This is the plate that we have to remove. You got to remove the screws, all right? All of them with the Allen wrench first. This is the plate we're talking about that you need to remove. Keep it as is right now because we're going to actually mount it after we tied up the centerpiece, all right? We took out the plate. This is the plate we flipped upside down, and this is how the order you need to install these actually not, all right? So you get one of the washers first, the second washer, smaller one, and then you close it up. That's pretty much how you have to. So we are screwing all the screws on both sides. There's 6 screws, all right? With the ones that we just replaced, and then we're ready to mount up. All right, so we're gonna flip this table over. Don't do anything, we're gonna flip it over. All right, we finally got our table. It's all set up already. Lifting it was a little hard. You're gonna need 2 people to lift it, all right? Or if you're gonna do it yourself, be careful, you could damage the top. So underneath of it, it has locks, and we're gonna go ahead and set it up right now to open it up and expand the actual table. If you guys can see the table, it's beautiful table. It goes along with some colors that you have in your furniture if you match it up. They sell multiple different colors, but not very many different colors. It's just a small amount. So beautiful table. We're gonna set it up right now. Ready?